What if your body started attacking itself, quietly, cell by cell, without you even noticing? That's what happens when cancer begins. It's not a sudden invasion from outside. It's a rebellion that starts within. In this video, we'll break down, simply and clearly, what really happens inside your body when cancer develops, spreads, and changes the way you feel. Welcome to Med Explained, where we make complex medical science easy to understand. Every second, your body is performing billions of miracles. Your cells are dividing, repairing, and replacing themselves. Normally, this process is tightly controlled by your DNA, like a strict traffic light system, telling cells when to stop and when to grow. But sometimes something goes wrong. Maybe it's from genetic mutations, radiation, chemicals in cigarettes, or just random errors during cell division. One small mutation can turn a healthy, cooperative cell into a rebel. This rebel ignores all the stop signals. It refuses to die when it's supposed to, and starts multiplying uncontrollably. This is the birth of cancer, a single cell that refuses to follow the rules. Your immune system often detects and destroys these abnormal cells. But if one slips past the defense, it begins to clone itself, rapidly. Soon, these abnormal cells form a mass called a tumor. If it stays in one place and doesn't invade other tissues, it's benign. But when it spreads into nearby organs, or travels through blood or lymphatic vessels, that's when it becomes malignant cancer. So what happens next inside your body? As the tumor grows, it competes with healthy tissues for nutrients and oxygen. Think of it like a greedy neighbor who keeps stealing your electricity. Cancer cells hijack your body's resources, draining your energy and causing fatigue. They release chemicals that trick your body into growing new blood vessels, a process called angiogenesis, to feed themselves. They also release signals that confuse your immune system, making it harder to fight back. That's why people with cancer often experience weight loss, weakness, and pain, even before diagnosis. It's not just the tumor, it's the system-wide chaos it creates. One of the most dangerous things about cancer is its ability to spread, a process called metastasis. Cancer cells break away from the original tumor, travel through blood or lymph vessels, and settle in new organs like the lungs, liver, bones, or brain. Once they land, they begin building new colonies, repeating the same destructive cycle. That's why a cancer that starts in the breast can eventually affect bones or the brain. It's like a rogue army setting up new bases across your body. Metastasis is what makes many cancers life-threatening, because now multiple vital organs are under attack simultaneously. Cancer treatment focuses on one goal: stopping the abnormal cells without destroying healthy ones. This is where medicine, surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation come in. Surgery removes visible tumors. Chemotherapy uses powerful drugs to target rapidly dividing cells. Radiation damages the DNA of cancer cells, forcing them to die. Newer treatments, like immunotherapy, help your immune system recognize and destroy cancer cells more effectively. These treatments can be tough, but they give the body a fighting chance to restore balance, one cell at a time. Cancer isn't just a disease. It's a story about how the body's natural system can turn against itself, and how science keeps finding new ways to bring it back under control. Understanding how it starts and spreads helps us take prevention seriously, through lifestyle, early detection, and regular checkups. Knowledge truly saves lives. If you found this explanation helpful, hit subscribe and join us here at Med Explained, where we make medicine simple, visual, and human. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy,